Here's a 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado, just in it, unique, especially in classics. This particular car was originally a blue car. I believe it would have been called the Mini Blue. It is an F code car. Black vinyl top. This particular car would have the 425 underneath the hood. That is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Now, of course, this would have been a front-wheel drive model that came out in the late 60s. GM had been working on a front-wheel drive car, I believe, since the late 50s, and ended up going into production in the Oldsmobile line, and then, of course, crossed over some into Cadillac also. There's a few innovations when this debuted in 1966. So 66 was the first year of the Toronado. 67, this model, the second year of production, was a first-gen car, obviously. One of the things you'll notice in the large side windows, there was no triangular vent window up front, which is seen a lot, and that was basically for a ventless, I should see, draft-free ventilation systems to cut down on wind noise, air noise. And then again, that turbo 400 transmission debuted because you did have the front wheel drive, that big 425 V8 engine up here, so they had to do some work with the tranny suspension to get everything to work together, and made for a nice riding, nice driving car. 385 horse this would have had. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, then you can see the underside, check out the interior, the engine bay, go ahead and check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. We can also be called at 507-386-1726. Now, there is some paint does show its age some. I would call it, nice driver quality. It's not a perfect paint. It does show its age some, and there's some staining on it. A little bit right here around some of the door handles where it looks like they may have lubricated up the door handles, locking mechanisms, and it's kind of ran down on the sides. Looking for a nice car to drive just the way it is, maybe take to the next level. This is it. Now, of course, these were quite nicely equipped Oldsmobiles back in the day. You'd have your power windows, power seats. This was a factory AC car. AC is not intact or operating right now, so I'll make you aware of that. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. May also be eligible for an extended warranty, so if you wanted to consult with a salesperson when you call in or email us, feel free to do that. And here again, you can see a little bit of peeling as far as the paint goes. So again, a little TLC to take to the next level or drive it the way it is. Once again, check out those still pictures so you can take your time, look it over. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Otherwise, phone number 507-386-1726. Be the number we can be reached at. Kind of has that same thing going on over here. We got a little staining, like they lubricated the locking mechanism or the door handle, or had a polish on there that kind of stained the paint a little bit. Riding on those wide whites. Kind of cool aluminum, or I shouldn't say aluminum, cool Oldsmobile wheels. Of course, the drum brakes underneath there. This car did just have a master cylinder put in it and also a heavy-duty alternator, FYI. Some service work's been done to it. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Nice, smooth running car. We'll check out underneath the hood. Of course, if you look, you have kind of the roller speedometer. A lot out of the ordinary for most cars you see nowadays, or even back in the day. That 425. Here's the gas gauge works. Amp gauge works. You have an oil pressure light. It would come on if it was low. I had static out of the stereo. I didn't get any sound, but it could be because we're basically in the metal building here. And wipers did work also. Did play around with those. Let's flip up. Check out the lights on it also. Looks like one high beam is out. Let's click that down just to make sure. And I'm going to open the hood for you too so we can check out this engine bay. I want to show you the headlights. Alright, click the dimmer. Check those lights out again. Yep, just did one high beam out. So, tell you what, I'm going to pause this a second so I can get this hood open. I want to show you the engine bay and see how that 425 looks underneath there. Alright, got the hood popped. And I can see the new master cylinder, and like I said, heavy duty alternator had been installed in this. Nice smooth running V8 here. Pretty tidy engine compartment. Like I said, take this one, drive it the way it is, put a little TLC into it, bring it to the next level. These first gen Toronados, pretty cool cars, always been good sellers for us. So there you have it. 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right to it. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this vehicle transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Consult with your sales person when giving us a call. Look forward to hearing from you.